Supposed to run dev. Shit. I mean, shoot. Okay, we got the Laravel starter kit going with the Vue.js, Inertia 2, Vue.js 3, Inertia 2, and Laravel 12. So it's a fresh install. We're going to want to, first of all, create some API routes for the GoDo program, which is not running. It's fine. Fucking close. Okay. Alright, so we got GoDo over here, and we just fixed it up. Now we got lame, we're calling it. I think I was intending it was like Lummy or Laravel me, maybe. Yeah, must have been that. Okay, so we're running our dev server. We got a fresh install, as I said. I'm curious what it'll do if we generate some rules on this install, on this pretty clean install. So we're going to generate cursor rules. Maker -p lame cursor rules allow maker allow list. We'll go for it. Go for it, man. Do your thing. Okay, I was trying to have a tobacco stick. So let's turn this off a moment. Transition me out. Alright. Let's see what it made us. Development workflow. Environment setup. 8 points plus required. Node.js 22 required. Says go live local. So blah blah. There's copy and I would have done that already. Yep. Composer run dev. Blah blah blah. Log monitoring page. We are some pale. Key worker. We're already running this through Composer. This is also running through Composer on that Composer run dev. But we do not have a key worker or log monitoring at the moment. Not running, I mean, but that's fine. Boom. Code quality, format page code, vendor bin pint, format front end code, format link front end code. And I'm assuming those are all real unless I look at the package.json. Yeah, the format check link. Yep, got ES linked in there. Beautiful. There's some linked code right off the bat. No setup. It's a beautiful thing. Okay. Oh yeah, we're looking at the RULs. Inertia. Patterns and best practices. Page components go in. JS pages. V3 composition API. Nice. Define props using TypeScript. Yep. Interfaces. Use Inertia's use page composable for accessing shared data. Laravel controllers pass data to Inertia pages via Inertia render. Use Inertia's use form composable for form handling. Router navigation. Router post set of requests. Use Inertia's handle Inertia request middleware for global data. Access data, flash messages, and other shared data through Inertia. Use interfaces for page props, form handling, TypeScript, use form, Inertia.js v3. Beautiful. Navigation router, yep. Inertia router. That will Inertia acts as a bridge between Vue.js and Laravel. You don't have to maintain separate routes between the two frameworks. Inertia will share the routes to Vue3 through the Laravel routing, which is pretty awesome. I'm going to come back on in transition in. Okay, keep that. It's beautiful. Keep this one too. Use factories for test data. Blah blah blah. Variable backend. Code style and standards. Follow the relevant conventions. BSR 12 coding standards. Use Laravel Pint for PHP code formatting. Use Pass for testing instead of PHP unit. Follow Laravel's naming conventions, controllers, Pascal case, models, Pascal case, routes, kebab case, database table, snake case. Some nice rules. It's getting pretty good at generating these architecture patterns. Use eloquent models for database interactions. Follow Laravel's MVC pattern strictly. Use Laravel Fortify for authentication. I thought it was Sanctum, but I guess I'm wrong. Where's the depths? Yeah, Fortify. Nice. Back to the rules. Key files. Apps models user, routes web, config database, bootstrap app. Use built-in validation rules. Use eloquent relationships for data associations. Use Laravel source container for dependency injection. Use Laravel's queue system for background jobs. Use Laravel panel for log monitoring during the bell. What do we got here? Project structure. Laravel Vue and TypeScript project structure. This is a Laravel 12 application with V3 front end using TypeScript, Inertia.js, and Tailwind CSS. I'm going to change that to Laravel 4 CSS, I'm pretty sure. Let's take a look at the package.json. Tailwind CSS, byte. Tailwind CSS 4. Yep, we're good. Backend entry. Public index, yepper. Front end entry. App.ts. Build config. Blah, 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 blah. Build config. Yep. TypeScript, ESLint. Vue plus TypeScript, ESLint. Front-end dependencies and scripts, composer, config, and composer.json. Directory structure. MDC is like telling it you can read that file. Or, yeah, will read that file. Directory structure app. Yeah, yep. Reloading workflow, run dev, hot reloading is enabled via byte, TypeScript compilation happens automatically. ESLint and Prettier are configured for code form. Keep formatting. Then we got Vue front end. It's pretty much repeating some other stuff. Use CLSX and they'll merge with conditional classes. Use class variance authority for component variants. I must admit I'm not familiar with that. I have to take a look. Icons, Reka UI components. I thought it was Reka UI. Look at that. I thought it was chat. Oh well. Reka UI. I'm going to have to investigate that. And for now, let's just keep review front end. That's what it was. Review next. We got testing. Test. Yep. Refresh database straight for database tests. Database transactions for transaction tests. Without middleware for bypass middleware. Acting as for authentication testing. Feature test. That's complete user workflows. Unit test. User result and insertions and test expect syntax. So I test with front end. Bigger. Good action. CICD. Good type of actions. Let's rock and roll. I'm gonna actually, well, I didn't even initialize the repository yet. Okay. Init commit publish branch. Public. I mean, publish it to public or ask public to my Jim's Resto account. Don't care to open it on GitHub. And okay, now let's have some fun. We got our ruels. Okay, maybe let's see the go do. There's a model for our task, but I do want to rename that actually to note. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and hit new chat. Rename task to note, please. I'm going to create a new branch called chore renaming, I guess. And I'm just going to CD home. Yeah, go for it, man. I'll allow CD and move and just see how it does. In the meantime, while that's running, actually, no, I want a task. Nope, sorry, wrong one. Task. Large case. I'm looking for a task object, which would be internal task service, handler, middleware, runners, main, footnote, adapter, store, store, stores, SQL8, memory. Oh yeah, memory store. Test wire, wire